So to make a bunch of rounded corners, I went to my grandfather's and he used a fly cutter, which is a like a mill bit, goes in a drill press or likewise, and so he was able to cut these circles to the right diameter. And what I've done here is made a little bit of a guide, running a circular saw around here, and I'm just going to make these cuts and make a bunch of little rounded edges. Those will go in the frame for the window and should provide a good guide for our router. Sort of. All right, we finally routed out the hole for the skylight and for the vent. You can see these, adding those little bits in there. Seems like it worked perfectly, and we got the right shape and everything, and the dry fit, it works well. So on we go. We cut a 1 foot strip of Luan here and put it in. This is above our cabinets, and you can see we didn't brace it inside enough, and the bracing kind of came loose and didn't glue well, so we're gonna have to go and reapply that, push it back up, re-brace it, and try again. All right, so it's the end of the long weekend, and we've got the skin on the outside here. Ran all our wires through a 1-inch hole here and bundled. They're all bundled up. We've tested a bunch. We've got a platform for the tongue box to go on, and that piece there is the same. This is the same size as our diamond plate. So we've got to cut a hole in the diamond plate before we put on there and all that kind of stuff. We could insulate and put the ceiling on soon, and there's our cabinet face there. Got to make some doors for it. It'll go up there soon once everything in there is glued and cured and everything, and I guess we'll move on to creating a hatch, and yeah, it's getting closer and closer. And so when I dry fit, I put all these markings in so I know where the glue goes. It's gonna have a screw every 6 inches or so, and all this
all this wood glue?
all this carpentry.
Damn.
So I mean, pretty solid. That's square too. Neat. There, now I just screw it all in. And then all of this, we know all this should be solid wood. Insulation's here, wood there. Yeah. And there's the cabinet installed.